Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my walking tour video of the stunning Île Porquerolles, one of the most beautiful islands in France. Join me as we explore the gorgeous beaches of this picturesque island, all captured in 4K Kelvin resolution to give you the most immersive experience possible. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on any of my future travel videos. As we set off on our journey, let me tell you a bit about Île de Porquerolles. Located off the coast of the French Riviera, this small island is a hidden gem with crystal clear waters, pristine beaches, and lush greenery. The island is only accessible by boat and has managed to maintain its natural beauty and charm, making it a popular destination for tourists and locals alike.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
Our first stop is the Plage La Courtade, one of the largest and most popular beaches on the island. With its fine white sand and shallow waters, it's the perfect spot for families with young children or those looking for a relaxing swim. As we walk along the beach, you'll be able to see the clear blue waters and the boats anchored in the bay. As our tour comes to an end, I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Île Porquerolles and its beautiful beaches. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. And of course, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!